Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oninya Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are highly welcome. In today's video, we are going to fry a tasty, delicious chicken. Let's get started. So here we have our hen. We are using hen. Okay, it's a hard chicken. It's already washed. We will cook it, season it properly, and then we will fry it. Let's get started. So I'm going to put the chicken. All right. Then we are going to season it and allow it to cook before adding water, so it will be tasty. Okay. So I have salt, I have bouillon. Season it properly so it will taste good. So here I have thyme, rosemary, garlic powder, and curry powder. So bayleaf, onion powder, pepper. So I'm adding some blends, onions, fresh ginger, fresh garlic. Okay, we've added dry pepper, so there's no pepper here. So we're going to allow it to cook in that juice. Then we add it water to make it a tasty chicken. Okay, we cook it this way. Cover it up. So let's check on it. I'm going to add water. So let's allow it to cook properly. Let's check. It is ready, so I'm going to get it out. Don't overcook it, okay? I'm going to use this beautiful stock, delicious stock, to make jollof rice. So look at our chicken. The next step is to fry it, right? So we're adding flavor, okay? We're gonna get it out. Second batch, and then we are done for today. So today we fried plain chicken, not with tomato sauce, just plain one. Coming to the end of this video, please share, comment, and see you again. focus and invite. We've come to the end of this video. So look at what we made today. Fried chicken. Okay, it's garnished. Okay, pretty and inviting. All right, we've come to the end of this video. Please share it, subscribe. I will be very happy and grateful, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless.